In a significant step toward promoting watermanship and youth engagement in water sports, Dinesh K. Tripathi, Chief of the Naval Staff, inaugurated the Naval Sailing Node at Bhojtal in Bhopal on May 17, 2026. The initiative marks a major push by the Indian Navy to strengthen watermanship, discipline, and sporting excellence among naval personnel and young aspirants. BPCL has marked the groundbreaking ceremony for the construction of an international cricket stadium in partnership with the government of Uttar Pradesh and the Uttar Pradesh Sports College Society. The project aims to significantly boost sports infrastructure in eastern Uttar Pradesh and support the development of cricket and other sporting activities in the region. A new milestone in promoting knowledge and learning was achieved on May 15, 2026, as NHPC Limited inaugurated the Gyan Dhara Library at its residential complex in Faridabad. The library was formally inaugurated by Chairman and Managing Director Bhupendra Gupta in the presence of senior leadership and officials of the organization. India's largest power producer, NTPC Limited, has announced the successful completion of trial operations of Unit 2, 800 megawatts of Patratu Vidyut Utpadan Nigam Limited, PVUNL, marking another major step in strengthening the country's power generation capacity. CMPDI Regional Institute 5, Bilaspur, has strengthened healthcare infrastructure under its Corporate Social Responsibility (CSR) initiatives by providing advanced medical equipment to the Chhattisgarh Institute of Medical Sciences (SIMS), Bilaspur. RITES Limited has announced a key leadership update with the appointment of Shri Rakesh Kumar Gupta as Chief Strategy Officer (CSO) of the company. He will also serve as ex officio Chief Operating Officer of RITES ExpoCon effective May 18, 2026. SJVN Limited has launched the nationwide observance of Swachhta Pakhwada 2026, reaffirming its commitment to cleanliness, sanitation, environmental awareness, and sustainable development across all its projects and offices. CMDH Bhupender Gupta urged employees to actively participate in the activities being organized throughout the fortnight-long campaign. Housing and Urban Development Corporation participated in the 13th World Urban Forum, highlighting India's commitment to sustainable urbanization and nation building. The event brought together global policymakers, urban planners, and development leaders to discuss strategies for building resilient and future-ready cities. Bank of India has increased interest rates on its medium and long-term fixed deposits for amounts below 3 crore rupees. The revised rates are effective from May 18, 2026. The hike primarily covers deposit tenures ranging from 1 year to 3 years, offering higher returns to depositors amid the current interest rate environment. Indian Oil Corporation is scheduled to announce its Q4 FY26 and full year FY26 financial results today after market hours. The board will also consider the final dividend recommendation for FY26. The results come at a time when global crude prices remain volatile due to geopolitical tensions in West Asia, affecting gross refining margins and inventory valuations across oil marketing companies.